Lily and her brother Ryan went camping with their mom and dad. Ryan and Dad set up the tent while Lily and Mom collected sticks to start a bonfire. Once the tent was set up, they started a fire in the bonfire pit. Lily and Ryan looked for long pointy sticks to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire while the fire was heating up. They found 4 perfect sticks, one for each of them. Lily and Ryan and their mom and dad each placed 2 hot dogs on their sticks. They held the hot dogs over the fire and turned the sticks slowly so every side of each hot dog was cooked. When they put the hot dogs into the buns and added ketchup and mustard, the hot dogs were delicious. After they all enjoyed their hot dogs, Lily got out the marshmallows for dessert. They all roasted marshmallows over the fire until the marshmallows turned a nice shade of brown. Then they popped the yummy treats into their mouths. Sitting around the bonfire and eating marshmallows is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping.